Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set always on display on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, the Samsung Galaxy A07 does not have the always on display feature by default. Since the display of the Galaxy A07 is an IPS display and it is not an AMOLED display. But if you want to use always on display on your Samsung phone, then go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. And in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. From here, just tap on Draw over the apps. Now from this list, just enable the toggle for Movies Edge. After that, just go back. Now in this app, just select AOD. And from here, just select any always on display style which you like. For an example, I will select this one. Now just tap on Apply to apply the always on display style. Now if I lock the screen of my Samsung phone, as you can see, we have successfully enabled always on display on our Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is how you can set always on display on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.